Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to make a CV in Google Documents. Writing a resume is your chance to present your previous experience, education, and skills to your next employer. No matter where you are at this stage of your career, tailoring your resume to the job posting and job industry can increase your chances of getting an interview with the hiring manager. To create an effective resume, it's helpful to use a word processor like Google Docs that offers a variety of templates to help you get started. Open your Google Drive. Click on New at the top left corner of the window. Select Google Docs and click on From a Template. A new tab will open. Scroll down to Resumes block. Choose the template that you prefer and click on it to edit. Select the whole template. Click on Format tab at the top tools bar. Go to Table and choose Table Properties from the list. A new window will open. Go to Table Border. Click on the color and choose the color of the borders. Click on the border's width and choose the value that you need. Click OK. The CV will have a table look. Edit the template and fill it in with the information that you need.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!